Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Baibo and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can exactly make a thumbnail for your YouTube Minecraft video. So in this case, I have actually built this this dock. Yeah, make sure you go ahead and check out the video. So I built this dock. Okay, so for the thumbnail of the video of me building this dock, it will be better if we actually, take a screenshot of this dock. So actually standing in front of the dock is probably a good idea, like this. You can actually make a thumbnail like this. So let's take a screenshot. Come on. There you go. So this is the first screenshot. Okay, but I'm about to show you a professional way. Oh yeah, getting closer to the dock is not bad, but I'm gonna show you how you can exactly do it. So you can like, I mean, you do like need some scaffoldings, but you can use some random blocks. So place some scaffoldings like this, and there you go. It is not enough, so let's keep on going up. Okay, so the trees are covering up the dock, so I don't think that it is great idea to actually take a thumbnail from this angle. Okay, so I think that is looking great. Okay, so let's go up. There you go. So now all what you have to do is go to the settings, go to video settings. Let's see. Okay, here it is, video. Scroll down and bring your FOV all the way down to 30 degrees. Okay, so now press F1 or hide your HUD, and there you go. You can take yourself a screenshot. And also you can actually bring your what is it called, render distance all the way up. I'm thinking about making it 12. Okay, there you go. Okay, so take another screenshot. Okay, so now let's go ahead and so if you think that this is way too high, you can go down. That works. Okay, so actually taking a screenshots like in the sunset like this makes the thumbnail look great. So take another screenshot. Okay, that is actually looking good. So bring the settings to default. There you go. Those in, there you go. Okay, so render distance like this. Okay, so we have taken the screenshots. So now it is time to go to the editing app. Okay, so on your device, since I'm recording on Android, I'm using Pixel Lab. So enter it this way. There you go. So autosave of your last session is available. Now cancel it. So yeah. So make sure you go ahead and use those two squares. Click on it. There you go. So this is the background of your photo. Now it's time to pick your photo from the gallery. So we have chosen the picture. So make sure you go ahead and crop it by 16 by 9 like this. And yeah, in this thumbnail, guys, I'm actually thinking about putting two pictures, or like split the the main picture and add the second picture. So I want this picture to be on the left. So by cropping it, I'm pushing this like square thing all the way to the right. There you go. You can actually crop it if you want to. So do this, and there you go. It is looking great. So you can add like a second picture of it, but you can keep on going like this. I'm thinking about adding a second picture and splitting the thumbnail. So this is the picture that I'm thinking about adding. Make sure you go ahead and crop it by 16. There you go. And add it like this. Okay, yeah, there you go. So make sure to go ahead now and use the mask thing. Here it is, like it is between the eraser and erase color. Okay, there you go. So this is the first dot, like it is like in the top right of the screen or the picture. There you go. And take the second dot and bring that all the way back to the main dot. There you go. And then we got the third dot. Okay, so this is in and out. This is actually in, so click on out. There you go. And in this one, it is looking great. Okay, so once you have actually done it like this, you can actually move like those like this. And yeah, so the main ones are in the like top right of the photo and in the bottom left of the photo. So as you guys can see, it is already cut or masked. So click on the check mark and there you go. Zoom it like this. Boom, it is looking great. So now go to the bottom one and yeah, this one, and click on import, or not import but shape. There you go. Make a square, then make it like this. You can actually use the zoom thing. Okay, there you go, and there you go. So this square or this line is looking great. So yeah, there you go. You can, okay, let's see. Okay, okay, there you go. So make sure to go ahead and rotate it like this up. The splitting line is looking good. So now all what you have to do is upload the Minecraft logo. Okay, so make sure the Minecraft logo is PNG, in a PNG format. So put it somewhere like this. I think that's looking good. So add some text that are like describing your video. So let's let's type in survival. Boom. So for the text, I'm using fonts. Boogaloo regular. There you go. And we're gonna use a stroke. That is nice. So now we gotta color it. Okay, color, and this one. Okay, so I'm zooming in just a bit. Okay, and yeah, I think that is looking great. I love it. Okay, so now let's add another text. I'm actually gonna type hashtag 08, which means this is the 8th episode. There you go. You can change the size. I'll also do the same thing to the survival text. Boogaloo regular. There you go. And boom, I'll place it like that. So yeah, if you want to, you can add as many text as you can. So I'm thinking about adding or making a duck. There you go. Because in this video, we actually built a duck. So for the color, I'm thinking, no, let's keep it white. So for the font, I'm using Boogaloo regular. So for the stroke, so enable it and do that. There you go. So I'm thinking about changing the color of the text into red. So there you go. Turn it red, and for the stroke, I'm making it white. Okay, and boom. There you go. Isn't that cool? So I'll place it like that or like that. Yeah, that is actually looking great. So this is how you actually make a a thumbnail or Minecraft thumbnail. So yeah, but yeah, make sure go ahead and be sure to like make the thumbnail in the font ratio of 16:9 because it is actually essential. So click on the save icon, save as image. There you go. Format, you can make it in GPG or PNG, it doesn't matter. So for the dimension, the higher the better, so I'll make it very high. There you go, save to gallery. So that's gonna be it for today's episode, guys. In this episode, I actually showed you how you can make a Minecraft thumbnail. Actually, this thumbnail is gonna be used in the previous video. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.